Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align center text horizontally in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I am open insert a page. Now go to the text type tool and draw a text. Click the right on your keyboard and click place fill with placeholder text. Now select all text and increase the text size. Then go to the properties option and scroll down and then we can see here are text frame option. Then click this. Then you can see here are the text frame option panel. Then click this center. Then click OK. Now you can see align center the text horizontally in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for